Hai semuanya, kembali lagi di Violetta's Diary. Kali ini aku mau bikin video lagi-lagi ini tentang kandang, fungsi kandang. Fungsi kandang itu untuk apa aja sih buat anjing gitu ya. Jadi fungsi kandang itu bisa juga salah satunya untuk supaya anjing kita itu pada saat kita beberes rumah itu anjingnya enggak kemana-mana, enggak bolak-balik. Atau kalau biasanya itu kan ibu-ibu itu kalau ngepel-ngepel rumah atau beberes rumah itu terutama lantai ya, ini kan pasti pakai obat pel atau obat lantai. Jadi supaya tidak terjilat sama anjing kita, ada baiknya kita fungsiin tuh kandangnya. Oke, nggak lama-lama lagi, kita langsung lihat aja gimana sih prosesnya, ikutin terus. Ya, sit dulu. Let's sit. Ya, sit dulu. Ya, ya udah nangis kan? Nah, wait, stay. Sit dulu. Mau nyapu dulu ya. Oke. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wait, ya. Sebentar ya. Menyapu dulu ya. Bentar sayang. Sebentar, wait, stay. Sebentar nih. Nih nyapu doang ya, kakak. Terus sayang. Sit, ayo, ya sit dulu. Sit. Ayo, sit dulu. Dia duduk manis, nggak berisik. Dia tahu lagi ribet, lagi repot bersih-bersih lantai bekas dia main. Oke, enough nih, dah tinggal di dapur doang. Kita terapi kandang dulu supaya biar dia anteng. Kalau aku ngepel biasanya kayak gini, masukin kandang dulu supaya dia nggak berisik, nggak bolak-balik dan nggak kejilat. Gini caranya. Jadi dianya harus masuk kandang dulu supaya kita ngepelnya leluasa guys. Oke. Untungnya ditutup semua supaya dia nggak kabur. Maksudnya nggak nginjak-nginjak ya. Jadi dianya harus tenang supaya dianya juga nggak nginjak-nginjak bekas pelan dan nggak ke jilat juga. Biar dia juga nggak kena racun obat pel. Jadi kita harus bikin dia masuk kandang dulu kayak begini nih. Jadi kalau udah bersih lantainya, baru cironya keluar lagi ya. Oke, kalau gitu ikutin terus. Habis ngepel, kalau udah kering lantainya baru keluarin lagi.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want.
Oke, jadi kayak gitu tadi ya cara saya buat sekaligus ngelatih Ciro biar tenang dalam kandang. Jadi perlu kita perhatiin nih, yang pertama kita harus sering-sering masukinnya ke kandang. Berapa menit keluarin lagi, masukin kandang lagi, berapa menit keluarin lagi. Dan harus sering-sering kita liatin juga nih, kalau kita masukin dia ke kandang itu kita mau ngapain gitu, yang dia nggak boleh sama sekali keluar. Jadi kita harus sering-sering juga latih dia kayak gitu, sering-sering juga diulang-ulang juga cara kayak begitu. Kenapa? Supaya dia tahu nextnya pada saat kita benar-benar sibuk, saat dia masuk dalam kandang, dia akan tahu dia akan dikeluarin lagi setelah saya selesai sibuk gitu, misalnya entah sibuk apalah itu ya, pokoknya kita sibuk dan dia sama sekali nggak boleh keluar gitu. Dia akan tahu dan dia akan ngerti nextnya tuh akan seperti apa gitu. Jadi dia juga nggak merasa trauma, dia juga akan terbiasa dengan hal tersebut. Dan untuk kalian nih yang suka misalkan menghukum anjingnya masuk kandang kalau melakukan satu kesalahan, itu salah banget ya guys. Jadi dia nggak perlu dihukum-hukum kayak gitu, dia cuma perlu dilatih tapi bukan dihukum. Ingat, dilatih itu berbeda dengan dihukum. Kalau dilatih ada masanya, kita memang merencanakan durasinya, kapan dia harus kita latih dan kapan dia harus keluar dalam kandangnya gitu. Jadi nggak semata-mata karena dia nakal atau apapun makanya langsung masukin kandang, nggak bisa kayak gitu. Kenapa? Karena dia juga punya perasaan guys, dia juga punya dia juga bisa baca energi kita, dia bisa tahu ini gue sedang dihukum atau tidak, dia tahu gitu guys. Gue melakukan apa, kesalahan gue apa, dia kan nggak tahu segitunya gitu ya. Jadi kitanya yang harus kasih tahu dia kalau kayak gini salah. Lu nggak perlu nggak perlu ngehukum dia, tapi dengan cara lain ya, dengan tidak lu marah-marah, lu tidak membentak-bentak dia, tapi lu cukup ngelatih dia. Pada saat dia udah mulai tenang, baru lu latih dia gitu. Jadi ini penting ya. Oke, kalau gitu segitu dulu video gue kali ini. Sampai jumpa di video berikutnya. Jangan lupa di like, subscribe, komen, dan share. Dan jangan lupa juga dinyalakan loncengnya agar kalian tahu video apa lagi yang mau gue upload berikutnya. Sampai jumpa di video berikutnya. Bye-bye.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way? And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray